Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need an RTX or supported Nvidia GPU and current drivers. Once updated, install Nvidia Broadcast. Open the app and select your physical microphone as the source, then choose Noise Removal for processing. Make sure the app is running before you open streaming or conferencing software, because you'll route audio through Broadcast as a virtual device. This step starts real-time cancellation. It removes steady hum and common background sounds at the system input level, so downstream apps see cleaned audio. Next, fine-tune the noise removal strength while monitoring your voice. You'll balance removal and natural tone. Increase the slider to catch complex noise, but reduce it if your voice sounds hollow. If your room causes echo, enable room echo removal. It's heavier processing, so only use when necessary. Also test any voice effects you plan to use. Once configured, open your meeting or streaming app and pick Nvidia Broadcast as the microphone so the clean signal replaces the raw input. To finish, confirm Broadcast is selected in every app you use and disable duplicate virtual inputs that cause routing loops. If you experience dropouts or latency, reduce the noise removal slider, switch sample rate to 48K HZ, or close CPU-heavy tasks. This reduces processing load. If nothing helps, restart Nvidia Broadcast and the target app and recheck Windows Sound default device. One quick troubleshooting tip. If you hear artifacts, lower processing strength slightly and retest, because excessive suppression creates unnatural vocal artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.